I mean, there are some Yoruba men who can still keep to their words, but it's you, Tinubu. Tinubu will use Wike and later clean his butt on his face. He's waiting for 3032. I pray all of us be alive, but he will never say it. Who again? I made a video after the dictated judgment of the Tribunal 2023 Presidential Tribunal judgment. I told you categorically and clearly that your law doesn't make any sense. And you're still talking about the second term of this problem you are into. You must be something else, not human. Ignorance is a worse disease, worse than pandemic. Let us look at some of the documents we have about how a senator can be suspended or how court stopped illegal suspension of legislators previously. From Femi Falana's record, a well-respected human rights lawyer in Nigeria who has been into the system for more than 4 decades, fighting injustices, human rights, helping the society. That man has sacrificed a whole lot. From the record presented by Femi Falana on how the court stopped illegal suspension of legislators in Nigeria. In 2010, our law firm handled the case of Honorable Dino Milaye and 10 other legislators who were suspended for accusing the Dimeji Bankole-led House of Representatives of wallowing in corruption. The Federal High Court declared the suspension of the legislators illegal and unconstitutional and ordered the payment of their withheld salaries and allowances. Remember, Senator Natasha was suspended without salaries, her offices withheld, her security aids withheld. That she should cease to be addressed as a senator and shouldn't appear in any gathering, in any way, in any place as a as a senator representing any constituency. She was elected, not employed. This is injustice, depriving her constituency their right, their representation in the House of Assembly. Number 2, in 2012, our law firm also handled the case of Honorable Refkatu Dana, the only female member of the 31-member Bauchi State House of Assembly. Dana was suspended in June 2012 for allegedly making uncomplimentary remarks when she challenged the lawmakers' decisions to approve the relocation of the headquarters of Tafawa Balewa local government area of Bauchi State. But the Bauchi State High Court declared her suspension illegal and ordered the Bauchi State House of Assembly to reinstate her and pay her withheld salaries and allowances. In 2017, the Court of Appeal still dismissed the appeal filed against the judgment of the Bauchi State High Court in respect of yet another illegal suspension of Honorable Refkatu Dana. The court upheld our submission to the effect that the suspension of the legislator constituted a breach of the right of the Bogoro constituency to be represented by her in the State House of Assembly. The court equally held that the decision of the House of Assembly to withhold the salaries and allowances of the legislator was illegal, as she was not an employee but an elected member of the Bauchi State House of Assembly. In 2018, our law firm equally handled the case of Honorable Abud Mumin Jubril, a member of the House of Representatives who was suspended for 180 days for accusing the Yakubu Dogara-led House of Representatives of pardon the 2016 national budget. The Federal High Court nullified the suspension and ordered the payment of the withheld salaries and allowances of the legislator. They don't have any right to do so. These legislators from House of Assembly to House of Representatives to that of Senate are all elected by the people, not appointed nor employed. They have equal rights. What a nonsense. In the same vein, the 2020 suspension of Senator Ovie Omo Agege was declared illegal and unconstitutional by the Federal High Court. The case was filed on behalf of the senator by Edward Omaga-esque, a whole number of them. And these people keep abusing powers, abusing offices, and they tell you they are representing you. And they tell you they are distinguished, honorable members, honorable senators, distinguished. What is the meaning of distinguished? What is the meaning of president who don't know the constitution or who abuse powers? Who came into power through dictated judgments? I don't want to say much. And you are still